Hi, my name is Rhonda, and I'm a master's student at the Michael Smith Laboratories of the University of British Columbia. I'd like to tell you about the work of Dr. Bhutta. He is the 2022 John Dirks Canada Gairdner Global Health Award winner for his research and leadership in creating and improving evidence-based treatments for mothers and children. Pregnancy, birth, and infant development are essential moments in health. But how society functions also contributes to the well-being of mothers and their babies during this time, and research into confronting these issues and the factors which impact them is generally lacking. Mothers give birth to babies every day, but not all of them receive adequate medical care. Newborn survival rates are at their lowest in underdeveloped and marginalized nations where preventable conditions such as malnutrition are a common risk. As a physician and scientist, Dr. Zulfiqar Bhutta studies methods to improve maternal-child health globally. The goal is to decrease childhood mortality as quickly as possible by treating preventable illnesses. Since Dr. Bhutta started working on the issue in the early 2000s, there has been nearly 45% less newborn deaths worldwide. Dr. Bhutta has initiated collaboration with other scientists to collect data and document child and maternal health in different countries. Evidence-based interventions were then used to address specific concerns within specific populations, for example, vitamin A deficiency. A large portion of Dr. Bhutta's success in newborn care and research is due to his understanding of the various injustices preventing access to healthcare, such as poverty, inequity, and conflict. Much of his efforts as a doctor is spent on advocating for just global policies by promoting community intervention and independence. Dr. Bhutta is currently continuing his medical research on neonatal health in the Global South, while acknowledging the social struggles that impact mother-child care in these communities, like climate change, food shortages, and heat shocks. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to check out the other comics and articles of the other award winners. Bye for now!